Hey everyone, welcome back. To sign up for the NAB Internet Banking, open the NAB app or visit the NAB website on your phone. Then select the option to register or sign up for internet banking. Then you'll be text enter your phone number. After you're done, you'll be asked to register your NAB card number or customer number along with your personal details. After that, follow the on-screen steps to verify your identity using a one-time verification code sent to your registered phone number. Check in the SMS app for the verification code. If you don't receive it, once swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away. This refreshes your page and you'll get the code there. Next, enter the verification code that you got in the app. Once verified, create a secure NAB ID and password. After completing registration, you can log into the NAB app and start using mobile banking right away. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.